We're also following headlines from former President Donald Trump's mounting legal challenges. This week, several state Supreme Courts will hear arguments to keep him off the 2024 ballot.
Those hearings begin here in Minnesota on Thursday, but first, Colorado is taking up the issue. Rebecca Castor walks us through the case.
As if he didn't have enough legal distractions, now former President Trump has to fight to stay on the presidential ballot. A trial began Monday in Colorado to determine if Trump should be disqualified from running in the state over his role in the January 6th attack on the Capitol.
Trump incited a violent mob to attack our Capitol to stop the peaceful transfer of power under our Constitution. We are here because Trump claims, after all that, he has the right to be president again.
The lawsuit claims Trump broke his oath of office by trying to overturn the 2020 election. He faces similar lawsuits in Michigan and Minnesota, but this is the first to go to trial.
There are millions of people in Colorado and across this country who are inspired by President Trump. Who are the petitioners to prevent those people from not being able to vote on that?
Meanwhile, Trump is also dealing with 4 criminal indictments and fraud accusations, all while running for the White House.
Every time they indict me, I consider it a great badge of honor. In the end, they're not after me, they're after you. I just happen to be standing in their way.
In his federal election interference case, a judge reinstated a gag order preventing Trump from targeting any of the prosecutors or witnesses. In New York, his kids are set to take the stand this week to answer questions on fraud allegations surrounding their family companies. A Minnesota court will also hear arguments later this week about keeping Trump off the ballot. No matter the state's rulings, though, it's likely the U.S. Supreme Court will have the final say. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox 9.